today's Friday and my weekend, so naturally I got another project to do. And I was watching a YouTube by Yellow Vet 04. He was putting on some dash decals for his passenger airbag. So I entered his little contest, and of course I didn't win, but that's okay too. But he gave me his contact information for the guy that made his, and I had him make me a couple sets for mine. And of course they're purple. I think they match pretty good. They're not a real strong bright purple, which is what I want. I didn't want anything that was super bright and in your face kind of stuff, so hopefully this will be a quick video for you today. See if we can get them put on. Let's see if we can get this cleaned up a little bit here. Just using alcohol for right now. I had a set of these on before, but they were stainless, and stainless is not good to have on this particular airbag cover. It'll hurt your passenger if it goes off. They didn't stay on too long. Let's see what we can do with these. It's stick pretty good there. I had him order me 2 sets just in case, because it's me. Take my gloves off because I'm starting to sweat. It's gonna be tricky. Toothpick idea is pretty good. I like it. One more layer and we're done. Good thing too, because I'm sweating. Gotta love Arizona heat, man. One thing I don't have that I probably should be using is adhesive promoter, but we'll see how this goes. Hence the reason I bought 2 sets. So let me know what you think. I think they turned out alright. Nice subtle purple.